guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to do something that I rarely ever do here on my YouTube channel, and that is trying out eyebrow products. As most of you know, as most of you can see, I'm a little short in the eyebrow department. I have this eyebrow that has grown in really well, and I do use an eyebrow growth serum. And then this one over here, I don't know, it's just been falling behind. It never caught up to this one, and this is always over here on the left side, the brow that I struggle with the most. So when I saw that Benefit and ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, was coming out with two different brow products, well, similar but still a little bit different, I wanted to try them out. I wanted to see which one would work best for me and my sparse brows. And actually, I use Benefit brow products on a daily basis, as do I use ABH brow products on a daily basis. So those brands are a staple in my brow wardrobe. So let me go over, let's do the Benefit one first. This is the new Benefit Microfilling pen, and let me go ahead and take it out of the box so that I can show you what it looks like, because it is a similar design to, I think, who did this? I think Maybelline or L'Oreal did a brow pen similar to this, and I didn't like that one. I ended up returning that one, and I tried that some while ago. But this is their new pen. That's what it looks like. Same kind of packaging as their other brow products. I picked up the shade. I'm hoping it's not too dark, but I thought, well, I'm going to be doing brow-like strokes. I'm going to kind of be mimicking hairs. So I got the shade medium brown. Normally in Benefit eyebrow products, I use shade 3, and I'll do some swatches and comparisons of the Benefit products that I have, as well as the ABH products that I have, to these two new brow products that we're going to be comparing and reviewing in today's video. So this is an up-close view of what this new brow pen looks like. You will see it has 3 little spikes there, and they do decrease or increase in size. So that's really what's going to help mimic those little brow hairs. So I am really excited, especially for my left brow, because my left brow needs all the help it can get. Now let me read you some of the specifics on this new Benefit Microfilling pen. It says, create the illusion of natural brow hair with 3 ultrafine lines in a single stroke. Designed to blend in with existing hairs, it fills in gaps and makes brows appear where before there were none. It says it's 24-hour long wearing. It says that it's waterproof. It says that it's smudge proof, and it's easy to apply and natural looking. And that's what I want. I know sometimes every day for me, like my eyebrows, they just come out different, and I never know how my brows are gonna look. And that really, for me, it affects how the rest of my makeup looks, and it affects what kind of makeup day I'm going to have. And if you have a full brow, then you don't know what it's like to really not have a lot of brows. But it can be, you know, there's some insecurities that can creep in, and it's always been something that I've struggled with, my eyebrows. So if I can find a new product that's going to help make it look like I have a nice full brow, I'm all on board. I am willing to try it. So I can't wait to try this one out. I think I'm going to be reserving this one to the left side of my face, just because it does have that 3-prong on it. So I think I can get some more brow-like strokes with this one. Now, with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is their new brow pen. And one thing I do want to note is this one comes in 4 shades, and this Anastasia Beverly Hills comes in 9 different shades. I also picked up the shade medium brown in this new brow pen, and that's what the outside component looks like. And this is just your traditional marker style. Almost looks like an eyeliner. Now, the specifics on this one say that it is a fine tip detailing pen that creates natural looking brow hairs, best applied directly on clean, dry skin by creating fine strokes of hairs in the direction of hair growth. Shake well before applying. So we're going to be trying these out today. I'm going to be wearing them all day long. Over here on the left, I'll be doing the new Benefit microfilling pen, and over here on the right I'll be doing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, both of them in shade medium brown. So before I get started with the demo portion of this video, let me go ahead and insert some swatch photos so that you can see what these are going to look like on my fair to light skin tone, and then we'll get into trying these out on camera. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this brow tutorial. Not a tutorial. I'm not teaching you how to do your eyebrows. You're just going to watch how I do my eyebrows, and hopefully they come out good today. But I do want to say that I do have to use some type of an eye pencil. I can't just solely rely on these new brow pens to do my entire brows. So to keep it fair, I'm going to use the Milani. This is their Precision Brow Pencil. And this one is in the shade soft brown. So I'll be using this on both eyes to kind of just, you know, draw a little bit in right here and on the top. Just kind of help define the brows a little bit better. So you will see me using this on both sides. But over here on the left, we're going to go in with the new Benefit Microfilling pen. And then over here on the right, we're going to go in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. I'm not going to do any talking while I'm trying these products on, just because I need to concentrate, especially because I'm doing this on camera. So let's go ahead and get started with this review and with this demo. Alright guys, so these are the brows for today, and I am impressed, very impressed with both, because that didn't take me long at all. And guys, I really like the way they both came out. I think I like the shade better on the Benefit side versus the ABH side, but both formulas were really easy to work with. I don't know, maybe I'll keep both and just kind of use them both. I was thinking maybe I would exchange this for a lighter shade, but I don't know. I think I can make it work, and I'm not always going to have my hair platinum blonde either, but I so far am loving what I see, and I loved the application of it. I thought it was really, really simple. And guys, you clearly saw, like, I barely have any brow hairs on this left side versus the right side, but I still have sparse brows to begin with. And just using these two products, the pen on each side and this little Milani Precision eye pencil, which you can buy any of your favorite precision eye pencils, the smaller eye pencils. Those were the only two products I used. And sometimes I do go in with a brow gel. I have the Anastasia, the clear brow gel, and I also have the Benefit one as well. So I'm not going to use those today. I'm just going to leave the brows as is. And I'm really, like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm really, really happy with the way this looks. Like, this is really big for me because, and you don't know, you won't understand if you have a nice full brow, but if you struggle with your eyebrows, you know how insecure and just how weird it can make you feel, because eyebrows really are what frame your face and they can make or break your makeup look. So I'm really happy. I actually have a eyeshadow tutorial that I'm fixing to film in a second. So we're gonna leave it like this. I'll do a check-in later on this evening so I can give you my final thoughts on these two new brow products from Benefit and Anastasia Beverly Hills. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at, and I will be back later to give you all my final thoughts. All right, so let me go ahead and spray a little bit of water. You'll see that the Benefit did rub off, as well as the ABH. And I'm just using my fingertips. But you can see for yourself the results. Guys, I have to say that I really did enjoy using both products. I think both of them worked perfectly fine. I think they both did a great job. They are slightly different shades. Even though they are both medium brown, I do think that the Benefit came out just a little bit lighter than the Anastasia Beverly Hills did. And I don't mind it. Like, I think both shades look nice. I don't know, you be the judge. You tell me what you think. Which side do you like better shade-wise? I thought that they both did what they said they were going to do. They both created those hair-like strokes, and I'm really, really happy with the way my eyebrows look. Hard for me to pick a favorite because I think I'm going to be using them together. I can do the Benefit right here at the start of the brow, and I can add the ABH over here to darken it up towards the end of the brow. This is the first time that I do my brows on camera. Actually, no, I think it's my second time, but it's like the first video that I dedicate to eyebrows. And I want to say thank you to Tracey and Whiskey over at Little Makeup Channel for giving me the idea to do that water test. Sometimes I forget to test all aspects of the product that I'm reviewing, and that's on me. I need to do better with that. So thank you, Tracey, for the great idea. And you did see, guys, that the Benefit did rub off, and the ABH, it did rub off some, but it stayed a little bit better than the Benefit did. Now, I haven't really been outside too much, and again, it's super hot where I live and humid, so I'm not too sure how they would do sweat-wise, if they are going to be sweat-proof, but I don't have anything on my hands, and I'm not going to use any water. I'm going to just kind of rub them like this, and I'm not getting anything on my fingers. Now, I do have that Milani pencil on, but you can see, guys, just by going over my brows, the Benefit did kind of come off a little bit. The ABH, I think because the ABH is a little bit darker, it's just staying a little bit better. So guys, I hope this review was able to help those of you who struggle with your eyebrows day in and day out the way I do. Hopefully it was able to help you make a good decision on some of the new products that are out there that you might want to consider adding to your brow stash. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.